Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm glad that you're here with me. I was asked by one of my subscribers what was my process and when I think of making a card. Like, what do I do when I'm ready to make a card? And I thought I'd come on really quick and just give them an idea of what I do because they want to start making cards. And in order to start making cards, it's not a big deal. Just get your cards and start doing it. But I'll tell them what my process is. Usually, I try to think of a color scheme that I want. So I think of a color scheme. Then I get out my dies and I cut some layers that I want for my card. Then I look through all of my dies and figure out what shape what die cut I want to put on them, what sticker I want to put on them. So I usually select something. This time I decided I wanted to go black and white, and I'm always usually making an A2 card. A2 is my favorite format to make a card. So then I just start laying down my layers. I mean, we all do it. This is how we all do it if you're a card maker. But if you're not a card maker, you probably want an idea of how it goes. I'm sure there's lots of people out there on YouTube who make cards, and you probably watched them. But this subscriber asked me, so I wanted to show them my process of making the card. So I lay down my first layer. If I'm layering them up, I lay down my first layer. Now I could stop here because this is a fine layer. I could stop here, but no, I decided I want a little more layering. So I did my next layer. So I do my next layer, and I kind of eyeball it down. I put it in there like that. So I think one of the things that you may need to get when you're thinking of card making, you want to get a layer die. You should start out really simple. Get a square, a rectangle, or something. Just get that, and then try making a few cards with it. See if you like card making before you start spending a lot of money with making cards. Before you start spending a lot of money making cards, just get a simple layer die with all the shapes, and then just do that. So then I get my die cut that I cut it out. Now sometimes, think about this, you don't need a die cut, you don't need die cuts. You can always go to the dollar store and get a sticker and put stickers on here. A sticker would be beautiful on here if you decided on that. So don't go out, if you're a new card maker, don't go out and spend a lot of money first. Keep it simple. Make it simple. Do something simple. Just start making your cards. So then I put my die cut down. And right there, I have my card. I could leave it there. I could leave it right there, because I like it just like that. But I want to add a sentiment to it. So I cut out a sentiment. Now, like I said, go simple. You don't even have to have a sentiment die. Go simple. Don't get a sentiment die right away. Don't get everything right away. Get some stickers. Get some stickers and make your card. Don't go crazy buying everything because you're just getting started. Take your time. Make a few cards first. Get into the groove of it. Then maybe buy a few more things. Take your time. Don't rush out and spend a lot of money and go broke buying a whole bunch of stuff. Just take your time. Make yourself a simple card. And there it is. Not much to it. And if you're already a crafter and you're another kind of crafter and you have stuff and you say, I think I'm going to start making cards, you can. Just start. Just start. Just start. So there's my simple card. There it is. Let me know what you think. If you're not a card maker already, let me know what you think. If you're not a card maker already and you're thinking about it, go ahead, make yourself a few cards. Get some stickers and make yourself a few cards. It won't take you long. And see, it doesn't take long to put out a card. I could, you know, if you get everything ready, you can mass make them and have a whole bunch of them ready to go when it's time to make a card. If you want to just get your stickers, get your stickers. Let me show you this one real quick. I'm going to put a layer on. Because remember, I got that layer die. So I'm going to just put a layer on. Because I'm just beginning to make cards. Like you, I'm just beginning to make cards. If I'm a beginning card maker. And then I go over and I find myself some stickers, because I was at Hobby Lobby. I picked up some stickers a while back. Well, I've had them in my stash a while. And so therefore, I'm going to put some stickers down. If these stickers come off this page here. I'm just going to put some stickers down for my card. I'm going to put that one down. I want to put this guy down. I've had these stickers a while, so they're really hard to get off here. I want to put this guy down. And I want to put this guy down. So this is my card. This is my card. Here, got my sentiment die. If I don't have a sentiment die, remember, if you don't have a sentiment die, you don't have to. But since I do, there you go. A simple card made with stickers. Now that's a beautiful card on its own. I don't need anything else on it. You won't need a lot of stuff. Take your time and build up your stash, or go simple at first. There I was, a few stickers, a layer, and a sentiment. And inside, I'll just write stuff. So here are my cards that I made, my simple cards. If you have any questions, let me know, or if you like to see anything else, let me know. But that's a simple way to go. Easy way to go. Thank you. If you like what I did, please give this video a thumbs up. That always helps my channel. Also, if you could write a small comment, that helps my channel. And if you'd like to see more of what I do, press that button and subscribe, and press the bell beside it, and I'll let you know when I've uploaded my next video. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a most pleasant day. Bye now.